When it comes to aftermarket parts and service support, your new S-Series lift truck from Clark is in great hands. Clark utilizes years of experience, outstanding delivery, and competitive pricing to ensure the maintenance of your S-Series lift truck is as cost-effective and effortless as possible. Clark sets the standard for dealer support with a large inventory of quality OEM parts when you need them. Parts Pro makes it easy to find what you need and ship it out fast, regardless of where you are. With a dealer network of over 200 locations in North and South America, Clark's factory-trained technicians offer fast response times, and if needed, Clark also offers excellent factory technical support. Combine that with Clark's superior warranties, and you can have peace of mind knowing you didn't just buy a forklift, you bought a Clark. The new S-Series truck from Clark. Smart, strong, safe.